Hi team. Let me show you how our new Zoho integration with WhatsApp works using Eazybe Chrome Extension. Imagine you're in WhatsApp, chatting with a client. With our extension, you can now interact directly with Zoho. If you need to check something in Zoho, just click the extension button, go to Zoho. You can smoothly switch from WhatsApp to Zoho and back. For example, if you're chatting with a client and need to access their Zoho details, one click takes you right there. Moreover, all conversations with your Zoho contacts are automatically backed up in Zoho. You can access these chats within Zoho, organized by date, making it easy to review past conversations. Additionally, if you need to update a contact's details, you can do that directly from within the extension. Say you want to change a contact's name to, just type the new name, click Save, and it's instantly updated in Zoho. Furthermore, you can create notes, tasks, and deals options directly from the extension. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to manage your schedule and follow-ups without leaving WhatsApp. It's important to note that only chats with your Zoho contacts are backed up to Zoho. Your personal chats remain private and are not included in the backup. Lastly, if you meet a new client and need to add them to Zoho, it's easy. Open the extension, click on Contact, then Create Contact. Enter the new contact's name, click Create Contact, and the new contact is immediately added to Zoho. This integration is designed to make your workflow more efficient by seamlessly integrating WhatsApp Web and Zoho. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions or need further clarification, just let me know.